Hi grade 6 and welcome back. Hope you're all still safe and healthy at home. Today we're going to be doing Unit 1, Lesson 4, and that is in our Everybody Up English books, and it is on page 10 and 11. So we're going to be doing page 10 and 11 in our books. So Lesson 4, sightseeing. Sightseeing, when you go and see different places or different things, like an aquarium or a museum or temples, going sightseeing, seeing different sights. So as usual, just follow along in your book. We'll start with the white box on top, the vocabulary that we're going to be using in the reading part and in our answers. So let's look at the 6 words we're going to be using as vocabulary. First word there is capital. Capital. So capital city of Thailand is Bangkok. Capital city of America or USA is Washington DC, for instance. So number 1, capital. Number 2, busy. You're very busy, you have a lot of work, you're doing a lot of things at the same time, you are very busy. Number 3, similar. Something that's the same as something else or almost the same, it's very similar. Number 4, giant panda. So you all know what a panda looks like. There's a picture in the book there, panda, and then you have the normal panda and you have the giant panda. I think they're in China. Number 5, honor. Honor, it's an honor to do something, it's your privilege or your honor. So honor. And number 6, observe. Observe is when you look at something, when you look at it, when you watch it, when you see it, you observe something. So that's the 6 vocabulary words that's highlighted in this reading part. Number 1, capital. Number 2, busy. Number 3, similar. Number 4, giant panda. Number 5, honor. And number 6, observe. Now we're going to be moving on to section C, listen and read. So here we have a little story about sightseeing in Tokyo. So as usual, just read along and listen to how I pronounce and or say the words. So let's start. Sightseeing in Tokyo. With over 13 million people living there, Tokyo is one of the largest cities in the world. It is also the capital of Japan. Tokyo is a busy and exciting city with many places to see. Tokyo Tower is very similar to the Eiffel Tower in Paris, but is 9 meters taller. Tokyo Tower is not next to a train station, but you can catch a taxi or walk instead. Unio Zoo is Tokyo's most famous zoo. It has over 2,500 animals, including the popular giant panda. To get to Unio Zoo, take the train to Unio Station and walk for 5 minutes through Unio Park. Meiji Shrine honors Japan's Emperor Meiji. You can find it inside a forest near Yu-Gi-Oh Park. To get to Meiji Shrine, take the train to Harajuku Station and walk to the shrine entrance. Shinagawa Aquarium opened in 1991. You can observe penguins, sharks, and seals there. To get to Shinagawa Aquarium, you can ride a free bus from Omohachi Station. So in the little story there, you can see there's a picture of Tokyo Tower, Unio Zoo of the giant pandas, Meiji Shrine, and Shinagawa Aquarium. There's a seal with a little girl there. Okay, now we're going to move on to page 11 on top, section D, ask and answer. So they're asking us 4 questions. You need to write the answer next to the question in your book. Question number 1. What natural area is around Meiji Shrine? So we're going to refer back to our reading part, and we're going to look what natural area is around Meiji Shrine. So let's see, where do they mention Meiji Shrine? It's in the 4th paragraph. Meiji Shrine honors Japan's Emperor Meiji. So you can find it inside a forest near Yu-Gi-Oh Park. So what natural area is there? There's a forest and a park. So we're going to say your Yu-Gi-Oh Park. That's the natural area around Meiji Shrine. So right next to it, you just write your Yu-Gi-Oh Park. Question number 2. What tower in Paris is similar to Tokyo Tower? So which one looks the same, is almost the same as Tokyo Tower? And in Paris, the big one, the main one, everybody knows this one, the Eiffel Tower. So right next to question 2, you just write Eiffel Tower. Question number 3. What animals can you observe at Shinagawa Aquarium? So let's look in the story or in the paragraphs or in this reading part. Let's see. What animals can you observe? Shinagawa Aquarium opened in 1991. You can observe penguins, sharks, and seals. So the answer is penguins, sharks, and seals. Write that penguins, sharks, and seals right next to question number 3. Question number 4. Where can you see giant pandas in Tokyo? So in the reading part, they say you can observe or see giant pandas at Unio Zoo. So right next to question number 4, Unio Zoo. That's where you can see giant pandas. Okay, so the last part we have to do on page 11 is section E. Fill in the itinerary. Itinerary is like a list or a plan of something that you're going to be doing on your holiday or on your tour, on your trip. So it's like days and dates and times that you're going to be at certain places, your itinerary. What are you going to be doing? So what they do is they gave us a little picture there with different places, Unio Zoo, close to what stations they are, and then they gave us a little bit more information. They said like Shinagawa Aquarium, open 10 a.m. to 5 p.m, closed Tuesdays. So we know we can't go on Tuesday to Shinagawa Aquarium. Unio Zoo, open 9:30 to 5 p.m, closed on Mondays. So on Mondays we can't go to Unio Zoo. Next one, Tokyo Tower, open 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, so it's open every day. Meiji Shrine, open sunrise to sunset daily, so it's open every day. Now they've got a little itinerary there. They've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So they've given us Sunday, they've given us Wednesday. We just need to put something in on Monday and Tuesday. So Monday, we know that Unio Zoo is closed on Monday, so we can't go to Unio Zoo on Monday. But Shinagawa Aquarium is closed on Tuesdays. That means it's open on Mondays. So next to Monday, you're gonna, like Sunday they have arrive at 1 p.m. Monday, we're gonna put go to Shinagawa Aquarium, and we can put a time there, let's say 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. You can choose a time between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Moving on to Tuesday, let's see which ones are open on Tuesday. Unio Zoo, open 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m, closed on Monday, so Unio Zoo is open on a Tuesday. So here we're just going to put Unio Zoo, and we can choose any time. So let's say Unio Zoo 12 a.m. or 1 p.m. Up to you what time you put there. And the last one they gave us, Wednesday, leave at 5 p.m. So you can just choose Shinagawa Aquarium, Unio Zoo, Tokyo Tower, or Meiji Shrine. Just choose 2 of those, one for every day for Monday and one for Tuesday. Just check the days that they are open. So that is the end of Unit 1. So we've done Unit 1, Lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4 on video. Hopefully I'll see you back in class when we start Unit 2. If not, we'll be making more videos. So as usual, go through the video. If you need to pause and rewind, do that. Listen to how I pronounce and say the words. and then practice all these words with your family or friends and read through the story very carefully. For homework, just take a picture of page 10 and 11, especially where you filled in answers and wrote down stuff, so I can just see you did go through it. So if I don't see you in class within the next few weeks, I will see you for the next video. So until then, stay healthy and be safe. Goodbye.